All right, this is meta, but if you're seeing this video, it means you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, and you might be wondering, what can Tarzan possibly teach me about nutrition beyond bananas good? And I can teach you a lot. My name is Matt Walrath, and I'm the founder of a nutrition coaching company, Beyond Macros, and the creator of the Beyond Macros Nutrition Certification Program. I'm also host of the Beyond Macros podcast. In a former life, I was an All-American lacrosse player, and after an injury ended my dreams of a professional career, I fell in love with CrossFit. I earned the privilege of competing at the CrossFit Regionals twice before deciding that I would rather channel my energy into my real passion, nutrition coaching. My goal is to teach you how to make a sustainable transformation, because with a decade in the fitness industry under my belt, I have seen that most people struggle to make a transformation that lasts. They don't struggle to make the transformation, they struggle to maintain it. So whether you are already a nutrition coach or you just want to learn more about nutrition so that you can make a sustainable transformation on your own, I've got videos for you. I'll be posting loads of practical videos that teach you how to calculate and count macros. I'll show you how to make meal prep easy, and I will teach you how to make your transformation last instead of yo-yo dieting. For you coaches, my message is all about how to make a great living by creating a VIP client experience without burning yourself out in the process. And you can find those videos in the coaching section of this channel. I will also hold some live stream trainings and Q&As occasionally on topics ranging from the software that I use to keep client information organized all the way through how to effectively communicate and connect with your clients. Each week, I will be posting interviews with experts on nutrition, business, coaching, and personal development on Fridays. And every Monday, I'll be posting those how-to videos. So make sure that you subscribe to get updates, and I look forward to seeing you inside.